Hi, I'm Misha, and today we're going to be installing a Ring video doorbell. What I love about the Ring video doorbell is that anyone can see who's at the front door from their device. To install your video Ring doorbell, there's a few bits and pieces you're going to need. A hammer, a pencil, a drill. The box itself comes with all the special bits and pieces that you're going to need to install it, and you'll need some safety gear. The first step in installing our Ring video doorbell today is to grab the doorbell out of the packet and remove the rear bracket. Grab your bubble level, place it in the small cutout within the bracket, then place it at approximately chest height on the wall where you want to install it, and then mark with a pencil the dots where you need to install. Now that you've figured out where you want your Ring video doorbell to go, grab your drill bit, your drill, and drill some pilot holes. If you're drilling into brick like we are, make sure you use a masonry drill bit, and don't forget your ear and eye protection. You'll also need the plastic anchors included in the kit. This will help your screws stay in place. You may need a hammer to push these in properly. Once they're flush with the bricks or concrete, screw in your screws. If you're mounting into wood or vinyl, just use the included screws. Don't forget to scan the QR code on the back. Once your mounting bracket is securely in place, secure your doorbell onto the bracket. Once it's in place, secure with the smaller security screws. Now your video doorbell is all installed on the wall, all you have to do is connect to your local Wi-Fi network using the enclosed instructions. Download the free Ring app and create an account to see who's at your door. You'll be able to see and speak to guests from your smartphone, tablet or PC. You could even connect it to Alexa.